Hello, parents, guardians, and some students that are out there. I am Mr. Joyce, and I will be teaching your child mathematics here at Power Technical. A little bit about me. My educational background is I have a master's degree in education, teaching, obtained in 2016. I have an undergraduate in history and government, obtained in 97. And then from the state, I am highly qualified or licensed in the following four areas. All right. A little about educational experience. This is my fourth year teaching at Power Technical Early College. At the high school level, I've taught mathematics for geometry, Algebra 1, pre-algebra, and then math for the trades, which is a college course, but we do it at a high school level, but we are offering it also at a college level here too. And I've taught 7th grade middle school. Taught also chemistry here at the high school level and 8th grade science. I am the math department lead, and that's one reason I'm going down to 6th grade to see how our students are coming into the school and put them on a path for the next years. Also, I've taught, student taught at Monument Academy up north. Life experience. Since I just started teaching 4 years ago, most of the other time was spent in the military. I retired in 2015 from the United States Army. I spent 32 years in the infantry. Retired as a command sergeant major, and these two are my last positions, Fort Carson and here at Peterson. And personal background, married 36 years, 3 boys, live in Woodmore, and have other hobbies, but I just bought this, so that's a key one right there for now. Now on to what we're doing here for this school year. I will be teaching 6th grade, which is, I've moved down to there to see how they start off. And we'll be using Big Ideas, textbook for those two. And I'll also be teaching Algebra 2 this year. All of these are state aligned, Colorado state standards. All right, so when they take the CMAS state testing, they will have the knowledge they need to succeed in that test. And also if they transferring in or transfer out, they'll be up to standards each year. Goals for this year. Really I have many, but the first one is usually always here. I know I'm not going to get all students to love mathematics, but as long as I can get them to where they don't dread coming to mathematics class, I want to inspire in them that they can learn mathematics. It takes a little bit of effort, but they can learn mathematics. So this is always the one. I don't want any student hating mathematics, okay? Also, I want to identify, there's a lot of students out there I've seen that we can push these students a little bit more than what they think they're capable of. And I want to see which ones we can actually maybe move up a year, okay? I know that there are plenty of 8th graders that could easily do Algebra 1. So we will try, and especially in the middle school years, to see which ones can actually move up a year, all right? And then we always want to gauge how well we are instructing our students. So we do have MAPS testing, which comes out 3 times a year. We'll do one, if everything goes right, about the middle of August, just before Christmas break, and then in April, toward the end of the year. So we can judge us as the teachers of how well we were delivering instruction, and then also individually of how well individual students have been picking up the material. So this is another goal here to make sure that we're consistent, consistently making improvements. And then how will remote learning go? remote learning, we'll do a 50-50 split. Half will be at home and half will be at home receiving streaming instructions that I'm delivering to the class here. So they'll get the same classroom instruction whether they be at home or in the classroom. Okay, so half will come Monday, Tuesday, half will come Wednesday, Thursday. And Fridays will be it quizzes, tests. I'll have office hours so that they can ask questions of me during that time. And of course, any changes, you'll be kept up to date from the school of how we're going to operate here. But we will be streaming in, so as I give instruction to the 15 or 12 students that I have in class, the rest will be seeing it at home. So they'll be working on the same problems while I'm working them here. All right, and this is my contact information. This can also be found at the website. My extension is 6225, which 225 is the classroom that I am in, and my email. So please contact me for any questions you have as far as this presentation or anything that may arise. Thank you.